heard a lot of good things about this. I haven't tested it myself. Obviously, this is the first build we have done, so we're going to do some testing on this. But it seems like a very good competitor against the 5070 Ti. Seems like price per frame is really good on this card as well. So I'm ready to get into the lab and do some stuff. IX, hello. Does the Steel Legend 9070 XT light up RGB or only blue and blue, green, yellow colors? I am not sure, but we will find out today. And on the back here it is showing Polychrome, which is ASRock's RGB software. So I assume it's going to be RGB, but we will find out once we get this thing on.